What's going on, everybody? This is Jeff with Island Hopper TV, and today I'm coming to you from Perth. This is Perth, Australia, the most isolated place on Earth. We are right now in the downtown city center. It's actually not too crowded down here. It's one of the things that you'll like about Perth is that it's a really modern city, but you don't ever feel like you are being smothered by shoulder-to-shoulder people. First thing you'll notice is it's just like an American city. Just like it. I mean, everything, you wouldn't even know you're outside of the United States. What do we got here? Hello. Let's see here, some Krispy Kreme. Alright, so here we are on Hay Street and William Street. This is kind of like the core of it all. Lots of restaurants and boutiques, whatnot. It's actually the Australia Day today. Yeah, this is a place to come if you want to get some shopping done, or if you're in my shoes and you need to replenish your sock collection or get some toothpaste. Come on down here. Little old town area. Okay, and this area here is known as Elizabeth Quay, also known as Queen Elizabeth. This is kind of like the main promenade. Last time I was down here, a lot of this was still under construction, so it'd be interesting to see how much growth they've completed. Let's see here. This here is Elizabeth Quay in the city center of Perth. This is the Swan River. So there's the Perth bell tower, you can hear it. There's jellyfish in the river. You guys see them? This area here is called the Island at Elizabeth Quay. Island Brew House. Maybe a good time to get a beer. Live music 3 to 6. Coffee. Tacos. So here is the bridge. So after a heck of a hike up here, this trail that I don't think is the preferred method, I've made it to Kings Park. Look at these hills. This is one of the places you'll want to come for a leisurely stroll. The sun sets over there,
maybe you come up here for sunset. Wow, this grass right here is as short as a putting green. In remembrance of the men of the state who at the call of duty gave their lives for freedom of humanity, the Great War, 1914 to 1918. That is World War I. World War II memorial, and the one in the distance is World War I. Here's the botanical garden.
Offer ends Sunday.
This is all in preparation for the Australia Day fireworks show. Jacob's ladder right here. You ready? Let's go for it. Jacob's ladder. Let's go for it. How high up that is. Ouch. Whew. All the way up to Kings Park. So this area here is called Fremantle. This is one of the more popular areas around Perth with the tourists because it's coastal. You know, you can get a ferry over to Rottnest Island or any of the other islands, and there are some beaches very close to Fremantle. So being that Perth is 8 miles inland up the Swan River, this is where a lot of tourists go to be coastal. And it's actually a little bit cooler. A little bit cooler and a little less humid based on what I feel right now. Could be that I'm standing in the shade, but overall I'd say it's a little bit cooler. So here we are down at the Esplanade in Fremantle. We're going to take a little walk around here and see what this place has to offer. Down on the waterfront. Get some live music going on over there. We're going to have some fireworks later. This is Joe's Fish Shack. Not to be confused with Joe's Crab Shack, I'd imagine. I don't know. Eat it. It's actually moving. What kind of fish they got in there? Is that a shark? Well, you know how Australia is with sharks. Let's see, is this going to be a beach up here? Oh, we got some people on the beach. I got a fort over there. We got a drone out here. here, I saw lightning striking over there. It's a beautiful, clear, blue sky day today. Okay, so no matter where you go in Perth, coastline, Fremantle in particular, there's very many beaches. This one is called Leighton Beach. Water, look at this. This one here is called Leighton Beach. Alright, north and south Fremantle all have beaches like this. There's just long strands of beaches. The only reason you'd want to go further away from Fremantle itself is because of the, you know, the eyesore that is the Fremantle port. But the further north you go, the more beautiful it gets. You can see people out there on their kite surfing and whatnot. Let's go down there. It's a bit windy down here.